Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So I figured I would record because I was just I've been trying to prepare my room and just trying to set myself up for success to get back on track on reading my Bible in the morning, like first thing. That's something I had started doing last year and I was super consistent with it, and then this year it's been kind of like at any time of the day, and I want to get back to doing that, like waking up and first thing I do is like read my Bible, study, and waking up early so I can dedicate at least an hour to that versus the whatever time I have. So I figured I would share that with you guys since I am just like, this is just something I'm doing and I feel like it might be helpful. I don't know, we'll see. As you guys know, I did start organizing like all my craft stuff, Bible journaling supplies, all that stuff. So I will be doing like a tour. There's like a piece of hair in my eyes. I will be showing you guys all that once everything's done. I'm just not, I'm just realizing I have a lot of stuff, and every day I'm like bringing something else upstairs that I have brought downstairs, and there's just a lot of things. I've got a lot of things. So there's that, and also I have my cart here. So if I scooch back, if you guys can see, I have my cart here. So this is my cart that I got from Michael's. They were having like a sale, so I got it for like $25, and I'm pretty sure I have a video showing you guys me setting this up, and it's gone through a lot of phases. The bottom holds all my planner stuff and any extra notebooks I have. The second shelf right now is holding books that I'm planning on reading, like my TBR, all my faith books that I have for the year that I want to read, plus my big my 90-day Bible reading plan thing, my big planner, which should actually be at the bottom, and then my prayer journal. And then up here I have my Bibles, my book that I'm currently reading for my Hebrews, my Life Application Bible, my Bible Knowledge Commentary, this is the Old Testament one, my Student Study Bible. I've been flipping between this one and my big journaling Bible, my planner, which doesn't go there, Spanish Bible, my inductive Bible for a deep study, a prayer notebook. This is where I just literally write prayers. Like if I'm in, I just need to write this. My Are You Reformers Unanimous book that I'm working through. Two more books that don't belong on the shelf. Okay. Oh, no, these are just my summer TBR books down in the second shelf. My faith books are over there on this thing right here. That's a stack of books. So that's where these go. Because, oh, this one's also a faith book. And this is my book journal, which I have been neglecting. So maybe I'll work on that in the morning. I've also not really had time to read. Well, that's a lie. I've been doing other things besides reading. But I want to get back to reading in the mornings. So let me put this back in a way that makes sense. I also pulled out my new Psalms commentary, the Layman's Bible Book Commentary. I don't know if it's any good, but I did pull it out so I can start using it because I am reading through the Psalms. So that way I can reference it and see if I like it. And I kind of like the way it looks without the sleeve. It's just a nice, it matches my cart perfectly. It's about a page or two for each psalm. Okay, cool. It's like a quick read. So we'll see if I like this. I will keep you guys updated. But I did take the sleeve off of that because that's not cute. So putting all this back. Alright, so I do have this cart nice and organized for easy access to my things. There's no reason for me to say, oh, I can't look up this verse and what it means because I don't have my stuff with me and I'm too lazy. Like, it's literally in my cart right here. So that's one thing I do like about having my cart. There's like really no excuse for me not to deep study or look into something further because like I have access to it all. Also, all my pens and stuff are there. So that's one way I've been preparing, is just making sure that I have no excuse. And then just really organizing my room and keeping everything nice and neat. I guess this was kind of like a quick cart heart tour of what I have in there to help me stay on track for reading my Bible. That is how I'm prepping to be more consistent, is by having everything right here so there are no excuses. It would be nice to get everything on my desk, like my books I just like reach over, but that's another day's problem because we got to organize all that stuff over there too if we want to do that. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. I thought I had a lot more to say than I actually did, but I will definitely keep you guys updated as to whether my cart being here with my Bible stuff is helpful, and whether we're able to be more successful with having everything here so there are like no excuses when it comes to reading my Bible in the morning. Yeah, and then hopefully we can have a much better routine, and then I can share that with you guys and share with you everything that I'm using and how I'm studying and all of that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.